So you're being sent in on a motion hearing and you have no idea how to be in court. Your boss probably thinks this is easy enough, a good way to get your feet wet, but you are scared stiff because what do you even say? What do you do? How do you even address the court? In this quick video, I'm going to help you to train yourself, where many well-meaning bosses and managing attorneys have neglected to train you. Let's get started. Jennifer Duclair here, lead mindset mentor at JD Life and Career Coaching, helping you to build an attorney life that you're absolutely in love with. When you are being sent into court on a motion hearing, do your best to see if you can get permission to take some time and sit in court on another morning. Usually motion hearings are held in the morning, where you can observe. Hopefully your boss will agree with that, knowing there's a lot to be learned in doing so, and that's a general advice given to new attorneys who need to learn how to be in court. But here's the thing, just showing up and sitting down is not going to do it for you. You need to observe in a particular fashion so that you can actually learn from what you're watching and be able to do it yourself when it's time for you to go. So first and foremost, if you haven't gotten it yet, get the free download. I have put together a template so that you can use when you go in for observation in court to follow along with what's happening and to be able to pay attention to the information most helpful to you. So take a morning, go to court, sit for an hour or two and watch what's happening. And there are particular things you want to observe. You want to observe what's being said, by whom, and why. What's the purpose of what they just said? You want to observe what motion is being, spoken on at this moment, what motion was just called up, right? You want to observe any arguments, any questions that the judge normally asks. Bonus points if you are watching a judge that you are going to likely be called before for the motion that you're going to court on. Hopefully, you're not thrown into motion hearing right the day before, right? Or the day of, like some people I know experienced. Hopefully you have time to get ready beforehand. If you know that you're in a small firm that's kind of unpredictable and your managing attorney could one day fall ill, and instead of calling coverage, they might say, it's your turn, you're up. Go ahead, be proactive about getting into court and making these observations before you even get to that point of your boss thinking that you're ready to go in for a motion hearing. If you're in between the bar exam and swearing in, take advantage, print out the template, go to court, watch, observe, fill out the template, learn from it. This will actually encourage you. It will fill you with confidence as you go about applying for jobs, because you will be certain that you know how to teach yourself the skills needed, and that you have a resource. You can always come back to this channel, post comments below for anything new you would like to learn. You could always come back to a resource to draw more information to stabilize yourself and feel confident going in. It is a wonder how many opportunities open up for you because you're now open to them, because you feel confident that you can do a good job once you get them. So print out the template, go do your observations, build your skills, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.